Brazil has rejected millions of dollars in aid from the G7 to fight the fires in the Amazon rainforest. G7 leaders had offered $20 million to help quell the growing environmental crisis at their summit in France, but Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro has slammed the offer.
Macron promete ajuda de países ricos à Amazônia. Será que alguém ajuda alguém? A não ser uma pessoa pobre, né? Sem retorno. O que está de olho da Amazônia? O que eles querem lá há tanto tempo?
Mr. Bolsonaro is a climate change skeptic who has been criticized for his slow response to the fires. They are still raging, with firefighters struggling to contain the blazes as they sweep across Brazil's national forest reserves. Nearly 80,000 forest fires have broken out in Brazil since the start of the year, half of them in the massive Amazon basin that regulates our global climate.
And the crisis has sparked global concerns, prompting discussions at the G7 meeting this week. The French president has even threatened to block a huge trade deal between the EU and Latin America unless Brazil takes more serious steps to protect the Amazon.
It's not just countries trying to solve the crisis. Hollywood actor Leonardo DiCaprio has pledged a $5 million donation through Earth Alliance, an environmental group that he co-founded to help preserve the rainforest.
Having been to the Amazon, having stayed there, and knowing not only the importance that it is for stabilizing climate, but the beauty of biodiversity and the cultures that live there, it's incredibly tragic. I think that I immediately felt depressed, and I felt like a lot of people that I connected with wanted to take action